Hi, welcome to this week's Pirate Fight Club. My name is Rebecca Stadler, and I am following up from last week's video where we discussed what to do in the event that you receive a cease and desist letter. And following up from my intellectual property preventing pitfalls series over the summer, where we discussed prevent this and protect that, I'm going to be talking about the protect that component. So you've got either your copyright or your trademark or your patent, and you've got everything in place, but now you see that somebody else is infringing your intellectual property. So now at this point, you need to make a decision. Are you going to enforce the intellectual property? This can be one of the very tricky things in the intellectual property world. You think, oh, you've gotten your property, you're all set to go, and you don't have to worry about what anybody else is doing. But if somebody else is infringing your intellectual property, it is up to you, unfortunately, to protect it and to enforce your intellectual property. So in the copyright world, you can do a comparison, see whether the person is infringing your copyright rights. And if they are, then you can go ahead and send out a cease and desist letter. The same thing is true in the trademark world. If you've got a registered trademark, you can send out a cease and desist letter if there is a likelihood of confusion between your trademark and somebody else's trademark. And the same thing is true in the patent world. If somebody's infringing your issued patent and they're doing something that is way too close to your issued claims, then you'll want to go ahead and send out a cease and desist letter and let those people know that they're infringing on your rights and that you do take your intellectual property rights seriously. And for that reason, you're sending that cease and desist letter. So I hope that this is helpful. And if anybody has any questions or comments, please put them in the chat box and I'll answer them in an upcoming episode. See you next week.